Got a new drum. So you're gonna put that wheel and that wheel right here. So you want to line it up. So it's good to push this one out so you can kind of get it in the groove and then push it back as needed. Reattach the tension wheel. I hope you guys saw that. That's it. I'm just gonna spin it until all the felt is on the outside of the groove right here. All right, good to go. Now, when you reattach this, you're going to have these little hooks. These little hooks right here go into this hole, into that cutout. And that's what secures it. So you're going to go up over the hooks and then go down so it secures it in. Oh. Guitar pick. Gonna secure it with the screws. Okay. Other side. Good. Connect the door switch. That should be it. Pop that back down. Put the screws back in. Bam. Give her a test run.